Process of evaporating
At any temperature is called evaporation. Very good. What is boiling?
one certain temperature.
It evaporates at a certain temperature is called boiling. So, is it evaporation? Is it effective on surface area?
Yes, sir.
If it is there high surface area. What about evaporation? Evaporation also high. Okay. We did a small experiment yesterday. Humidity. Humidity is another factor. Humidity is another factor affects evaporation. The amount of water vapor present in air is called humidity.
What percentage in there?
Humidity is another effect of evaporation. The amount of vapor present in air. The amount of vapor present in air is called humidity. This is a definition of the humidity. It is there high percent of vapor, high humidity. Okay. The air around us cannot hold more than a definite amount of water vapor temperature. So there is indefinite of water vapors or more than definite amount of water vapors in our surroundings. If the amount of water vapor is high in the air, rate of evaporation will decrease. It is there high humidity, means high vapor in air. High percent of vapor in air means high humidity. High humidity. If it is there high humidity, the evaporation will high humidity means in winter season. High humidity means winter season. Clothes will dry easily? No. So evaporation will decrease. Water vapor evaporation will decrease. Water evaporation will when? If humidity is high. So humidity and evaporation, these both are directly proportional or inversely proportional. Humidity increase in evaporation but decrease is directly proportional. Inversely proportional. Inversely and reverse. Directly and the same. With increase in the other increase in the directly proportional. 9th class. We are 9th class, not 7th class. The proportionality is introduced in 7th class. Introduced in 7th class. We are not understood till now 9th class. Evaporation. Evaporation is always inversely proportional to the humidity. If it is there high humidity, evaporation will decrease. If it is there low humidity, evaporation will increase. Now we have less humidity, low humidity. So evaporation will high. So cloths dry slowly during rainy season, but fast on a sunny and windy day. Wind means sun means summer. So it will fast dry. Cloths are fast dry. In which season it's slow? Winter season, because
Humidity
humidity is high. Because of increase in wind speed, water vapor particles move away. The wind decreasing the amount of water vapor in the surroundings. So wind వచ్చిన కొద్దీ వాటర్ వేపర్ అవుట్ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడే అవుట్ సైడ్ మూవ్ అయినప్పుడు అందులో హ్యూమిడిటీ ఏమవుతుంది? Air pressure is to water outside. So it will fast dry. We can also define evaporation as the change of phase from liquid to gas that occurs the surface of the liquid. So here evaporation means actually it is their liquid water. అది evaporate అవుతుందంటే gas state లో change అవుతుంది. So it change to liquid to gas. It is a cooling process. It is a cooling process. The surface of it is a cooling process because the particles of liquid continuously give up their energy to the particles that are escaping from the surface. When in summer season, we are washing our floor. After dried up, the floor will cool or heat. Cool means it is a cooling process. Evaporation is a cooling process. అక్కడ ఉండే హీట్ ఎనర్జీని గెయిన్ చేసుకొని వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఎస్కేప్ అవుతాయి. సో హీట్ ఎనర్జీ మొత్తం లాస్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ కూలింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. అంటే కూల్ అవుతా ఉంటే మనకు ఎవాపరేట్ ఎక్కువ అవుతా ఉంటే కూల్ అవుతుంది. ఫాస్ట్ ఎవాపరేషన్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ when you drops of petrol drop on the palm, see what will happen? It will cool because high evaporation. Then you feel very cool. Let us look at the following example. Why do we sweat while you work? Just suppose let us work బాగా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. నార్మల్ వర్క్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు కూడా వర్క్ చేస్తున్నట్టు దీనికి స్వెట్ రాదు. సో స్వెట్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? హెవీ వర్క్ చేస్తుంది. When we do work, we spend our energy mostly in the form of heat energy from the body. As a result, temperature of the skin becomes higher in the water. The sweat glands starts evaporating. This evaporation cools the body. మనం వర్క్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏంటంటే బాడీ నుంచి హీట్ ఎనర్జీ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. హీట్ ఎనర్జీ ఎట్లా రిలీజ్ అవుతుందంటే లైక్ ఏ స్వెట్. ఎయిర్ మనం టచ్ చేయగానే we feel కూల్. అంటే అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే హెవీ ఎవాపరేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. Evaporation is a cooling process. That's why we are feeling cool. Rate of evaporation of a liquid depends on its surface area, temperature, limit of vapor already present in the surrounding air. Evaporation rate fast గా ఉందా స్లో గా ఉందా అంటే దేని మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది? సరౌండింగ్స్ మీన్స్ వెదర్. సీజన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, summer season, high evaporation. Next, weather is surrounding air మీద. Next, surface area. If it is there less surface area, it will slow. If it is there high surface area, it will go fast. Temperature also. Do the reverse process of evaporation takes place? Is it reverse process? Is it reverse process? No. But here is the chance. When and how does it take place? Let us find out. Condensation. Condensation. Place a glass tumbler on a table, pour cold water up to half its height. Take a glass tumbler. Glass tumbler ni clean గా వాష్ చేయండి. వాష్ చేసి క్లాత్ వేసి క్లీన్ చేయండి. చేసి అక్కడ పెట్టేసి దాంట్లో వాటర్ ఉన్నాయి. వాటర్ డ్రాప్స్ ఉన్నాయా? There is no water drop. You will pour cool water on that glass tumbler. You will see some bubblings outside. Did you?
Yes, sir.
What do you observe on out surface of the tumbler? Drops, droplets. Why do water droplets from on the outside of the glass? It will come from where? From where? The atmosphere? Vapor. Vapor. Vapor water, also full of vapor water will form like this. We know the temperature of the surrounding air is higher than the temperature of the cold water. Because the cold water అంటే high temperature మన వెదర్. cold water అంటే less temperature కదా. ఇక్కడ వెదర్ అనేది కొంచెం high temperature. Air contains water molecules in the form of vapor. When the molecules of water in air during their motion strike the surface of the glass tumbler, which is cool, they lost their kinetic energy, which lowers their temperature, and they get converted into droplets. So, అది evaporate గా చేంజ్ కావాలంటే ఎనర్జీ గెయిన్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఎనర్జీ గెయిన్ చేసుకొని వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఎస్కేప్ అయ్యాయి ఎయిర్లో. అంటే అది లిక్విడ్ స్టేట్ నుంచి గ్యాస్ స్టేట్లోకి చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఇప్పుడు అది గ్యాస్ స్టేట్లో ఉంది అంటే దానికి కొంచెం ఎనర్జీ వచ్చింది. ఆ ఎనర్జీ లాస్ అయితే మళ్ళీ అది ఏమవుతుంది? వాటర్ డ్రాప్ అయిపోతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం కూల్ వాటర్ గ్లాస్ టంబ్లర్లో వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ ఎనర్జీ ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవుతుంది. టచ్ అయినప్పుడు అది ఎనర్జీ లాస్ అవుతుంది. లాస్ అయ్యి వాటర్ డ్రాప్లెట్స్గా కంప్లీట్ అరౌండ్ ద glass tumbler we can see some droplets of water. The energy lost by the water molecule in air is gained by the molecule of the glass tumbler. Means the average kinetic energy of the glass molecules increases. In turns, the energy is transferred from glass molecule to water molecule in the glass. Okay, glass molecule cool out. కూల్ అవ్వగానే ఎయిర్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఎనర్జీ ఉండే ఎయిర్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ టచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఆ ఎనర్జీ గ్లాస్ టంబ్లర్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుని లోపల వాటర్కి సప్లై చేస్తుంది, ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ వాటర్ డ్రాప్లెట్గా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అరౌండ్ ద గ్లాస్ టంబ్లర్ ఫార్మ్స్ లైక్ దిస్ వాటర్ droplets. In this way, average kinetic energy of water molecule in the tumbler rises. Hence, we can conclude that the temperature of the water in glass increases. This process is called condensation. It is the warming process. So, energy moto water loki transfer of water temperature means kinetic energy. Kinetic energy are always directly proportional to the temperature. Kinetic energy are always directly proportional to the temperature. Is it? How can you prove it?
Heat and water constant factor. Putting it outside.
Moving.
Heat process.
Moving objects
The
having
example T.
kinetic energy.
Heat process.
Process of tea. When you pour tea powder in milk, what will happen? It will spread slowly. If you hit them, it moves fastly. It moves fastly. Is it? So, temperature is raised, kinetic energy will go fast. So, it is directly proportional always. So, here also, the temperature, water temperature, glass tumbler water temperature will increase. This process is called condensation. This process is called condensation. So this is a warming process. Condensation can also be defined the phase change from gas to liquid. Gas into liquid the change in that is called condensation. Let us examine a situation. You feel warm after you finish your bath. After you finish your bath under the shower on a hot day.